Here we got a 1933 Packard. Just put it right on here. So 33 Packard Series 1002 model 627 convertible Victoria, bodied by Dietrich. So at the depths of the Great Depression, 1933, Packard produced only 4,800 cars. It was the lowest production year production for Packard since 1916. It's the Great Depression, right? So we'd expect people to buy luxury cars back then. So this one was customized by Dietrich. Shipped to Goldner Brothers, a Packard dealership in Germantown, Pennsylvania. It sold on June 6, 1933. This car spent many years traveling up and down the Eastern Seaboard and was donated to Auburn Cord Duesenberg Museum in the 1980s. The current owner got it in 1999. With a complete body off restoration in 2004, completed in 2011. And it got painted with Packard standard paint, so these are big old cars, man. These are tankers, man. See that? You get in there, you got individual access doors too for the spark plugs. Can't beat that, huh? You see the old big spare tire on here. Damn well built car, that's for sure, man. And you figure, they weren't making stuff with robots back then. This is all made by hand, basically. Not too many machines. I mean, yeah, they were using hydraulic presses and stuff to stamp out the steel, but a lot of this stuff was hand formed, man. Packard 8. The big old luggage rack back there, that's why they called it a trunk too, because you would put the trunk in there, but here you could see the trunk is metal instead of wood and stuff or leather. Hell of a car, huh?